Welcome back to TechVibe Nexus. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for any YouTuber: optimizing your channel. Essential tips for attracting subscribers. If you want to grow your audience and make a lasting impression, optimizing your channel is key. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about channel art and branding. Your channel banner is the first thing viewers see when they visit your page, so make it eye-catching and informative. Use high-quality images and include your channel name, tagline, and upload schedule if possible. Consistent branding across your channel, like using the same colors, fonts, and logos, helps create a professional look that viewers will remember. Next, focus on your channel description. This is your chance to tell potential subscribers what your channel is all about. Use relevant keywords to help your channel appear in search results. Be clear about the type of content you create and what viewers can expect. A well-crafted description can entice visitors to hit that subscribe button. Creating playlists is another effective way to optimize your channel. Organize your videos into themed playlists to make it easier for viewers to find content they're interested in. This not only enhances user experience but also increases watch time, as viewers are more likely to binge watch multiple videos in a playlist. Don't underestimate the power of custom thumbnails. Thumbnails are crucial for attracting clicks. Design eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your video content. Use bold text, vibrant colors, and engaging images to grab attention. A compelling thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate and, ultimately, your subscriber count. Establishing a consistent upload schedule is vital for channel optimization. Whether you post weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, stick to a routine. Consistency helps build anticipation among your audience, encouraging them to subscribe so they don't miss out on your latest content. Finally, don't forget to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create community posts to keep your viewers involved. Building a relationship with your audience fosters loyalty and encourages them to subscribe and share your content with others. In conclusion, optimizing your channel is essential for attracting subscribers. By focusing on channel art, crafting a compelling description, creating playlists, using custom thumbnails, maintaining a consistent upload schedule, and engaging with your audience, you'll set yourself up for success. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to TechVibe Nexus, and hit that notification bell for more tips and insights. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.